I am so excited to introduce to you our Quilting Backdrop series. This is going to change the game for your embroidery projects. These carefully crafted files are designed to serve as background quilting elements, adding depth to your quilting projects. What I find so exciting about these is you have an endless array of possibilities to create your own blank layouts with the Quilting Backdrops and then bring in other designs from our collection on our website, and you can make any layout that you choose. You're virtually designing your own in the hoop project. This project here was used with some of our regular designs. I took some elements from another in the hoop project and created this custom wall hanging. Your project can be as big or small as you want. We whipped up this cute little wall hanging from my husband's office with just one square block and some sashing. And this boho one is my absolute favorite. Unlike our end-to-end designs, these designs are in the hoop quilt blocks, and they designed to use what's called Quilt-As-You-Go with a false backing. So each block is made separately in the hoop with your background quilting, any design that you've added. You sew your blocks together, then you add your backing and stitch in the ditch. The directional patterns come in both a vertical or horizontal orientation depending on what you need and the layout that you've chosen. Each set is going to come with 10 different square sizes from 2 inches up to 10 inches, coordinating sashing files that will go with all of your squares, along with a variety of 3, 4, and 6 inch width rectangles in all different orientations and sizes. We're also going to include 10 different hoop fillers, and that means that the pattern that you've selected, the design will just fill, quilting only, an entire hoop, and that covers all of your universal hoop sizes. For geometric patterns such as this plaid, your run stitches will be caught in the seams and will not be visible on your finished product. For other pattern files that don't have any edge runs, we'll include your quilting only files, so you will not have the placement and tack down lines for your batting in case you want to bring those in and put them on any of your other projects. We're starting with 12 backdrop sets on the site already, but we have many more to come. I can't wait for you to see them all. Stay tuned.